Vaishali. I run a social enterprise by the name of KEC Green Games. We're curating play experiences that are analog, as in screen-free engagement. We also believe that it's very important that we do not relegate play to a younger audience, as play has no expiry. We began 15 years ago. We've worked with rural artisans from West Bengal, Gujarat, Rajasthan, Channapatna. Our main objective is to help these artisans and bring their stories to our markets. It's been a very rewarding experience because each artisan has a unique story that he or she uh, works with. We've empowered them and we've built a great relationship with them. So it's almost a large family of people coming together and working towards a common goal of play. It's also been exceedingly challenging because working with a handcraft industry is another dynamic altogether. There are lots of challenges that come our way, and we've learned how to work above them and give our 100% in a way where we've had a lovely, enriching experience, empowering each one, giving them that kind of impetus to work and allowing them a place in our society is very important. Our games that we've come up with are not relegated to just play. We've come up with collectibles, shadow puppet theatre, a comprehensive kit in verse of an Assamese folktale. We've also created a lot of board games that are heritage games. These are losing their momentum if we do not encourage play. At the end of the day, family time is very important. So connecting the community, working towards them enjoying, bonding, conversing, that was what we wanted to create. Isolated pockets that we've got into with our screens are not only creating health hazards, but they're also creating a lot of emotional issues. For example, there's depression, there is a lot of uncomfortable, isolated engagement that one is getting into. So we realized that these games would give us an opportunity to connect with our community. We've got a loyal base of individuals who have continuously encouraged and spread the word, because that's what our main objective is. And it's been the most enjoyable experience. I hope and pray that people realize the value of unplugged play and a larger audience enjoys, appreciates, and supports a very worthy and an exceedingly important cause. I began this enterprise with my sister Manisha as an alternate educationist. When we took our children for various outdoor camps, we mainly worked a lot with them about traditional games, unplugged play, and it was a lot of fun and they were enjoying themselves. And suddenly, with the onset of the screen, digital media, the interest in these children started dwindling. That's when we realized that this kind of enterprise, KEC Green Games, which encourages and promotes unplugged play and traditional games, we needed to reintroduce these games to the audience, and all over the world people have realized this kind of play is very important. In fact, it has been included in school curriculums today, not only in India but all over the world, and that has been very important. What we've done also is that we've curated a lot of workshops and teacher training workshops also. So this helped schools to realize the importance of these games. The double take. This has been our best seller. It's a hand-eye coordination, depth perception game that has gained a lot of interest with all age groups. A great desk toy, a great companion because it's an on-the-go toy. All we have to do is oscillate the ball very slowly. It's important that one foot is in front for body balance. And then all I have to do is create a momentum and then, oh, I've not got it. So I persist. And persistence has to pay. I keep working on it. So what happens is it's always engagement in that manner. Once more. And there I am. Once I've mastered the first cup, there's a smaller cup, more of a challenge. Let's try this one. And, uh-oh. Once more. Yes. So that's the way this game is played. Once you master both the cups, what we need to do is make it more engaging. It doesn't stop there. So what we've given within our kits are games that you can play with the family and friends. This is our collectibles range. Mushrooms, especially the red and white variety, are considered to be greatly lucky in your houses. So a lot of people have picked them up and ask for more. That's the value of a collectible. Meet our besties. These little adorable darlings have been exceedingly appreciated by all age groups. They are ambassadors of good bonding and connections and have been appreciated for the handcrafted presentation. KEC Green Games is a social enterprise. We are from Mumbai, but they're mainly crafted by rural artisans. And we have an Instagram handle by the name of KEC Green Games.